There's always a story with me, right? Chashme ki story. I got my chashma when I was in 10th standard. I was always a backbencher. मुझे आगे बैठना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. So like I said, 10th standard, चश्मा हट गया, as in not हट गया, but चश्मा मैंने हटवा दिया अपनी लाइफ से, and I started wearing lenses. And lenses I would enjoy because I did not have anything on my face. But of course, I used to roam a lot on the bike, तो आईज वाटरी होती थी. अगर कभी कभी रोना आ जाता था तो आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस द लेंस जस्ट फॉलिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम आई, कि शिट, लाइक यू नो, द लेंसेज हैव जस्ट फॉलन ऑफ समवेयर. या फिर फेस वॉश कर, सो द होल हैंग ऑफ वेयरिंग लेंसेज. तो बहुत सारी ऐसे मिसहैप्स होती रहती थी. आई यूज्ड टू बाय सॉफ्ट लेंसेज, वाज प्रीटी हैप्पी विद देम. But fast forward to what, I'm 34 now. Wow, that was a really long time ago. Shit. Okay. Suddenly मुझे realize हो कि that's how old I am. Oh my god. Anyways, so yes, I started wearing lenses, like I said, and fast forward to X amount of years, I I realized that I'm having so much trouble. I started facing dry eyes ka problem, constantly wearing something on your eyes, and you're supposed to wear it for a specific period of time or hours in the day. But I would exceed that amount, and because of all that, I started facing dry eyes ka problem. My eyes would feel dry, itchy, redness, eyes watery. Of course, I used to wear kajal. Kajal has been like my identity since like many years. But somehow I had to be like so extra careful. I had to throw away products after a couple of usage, because they would irritate my eyes. I had to be careful. Like if I'm out late night, I would have to make sure that I am coming home on time. Otherwise, I would have my lenses on me throughout the night, and have I've faced issues of dry eyes. A couple of years back, I went for an eye checkup. I just went to a random doctor. No research, nothing. I just found it on Google, and I asked her that, can I consider LASIK? So she said that, you can't do LASIK because you have dry eyes ka problem, and you have to be like lens free for a very long time, for good 3 to 6 months, because your eyes are so like used to those lenses. So that issue has been there. So I got a little disappointed, and I'm like, you know what, छोड़ो LASIK वैसे क्यों कराना है? I'll just continue wearing my lenses because I'm okay with it. I knew I wanted to get LASIK, but I was not prepared to be lens free because, like I said, 10th standard में मुझे चश्मा नहीं पसंद था. So that means if I had to be lens free, I had to wear my chashma, which I did not want. I still have my chashma though. I used to try wearing chashma at home, and if I would step out, I would wear my lenses. Finally, I took courage to decide to get my LASIK done. My husband pushed me a lot. Like he said, you know what, now I'm just tired of your complaints of eye problems. बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है अभी. So I'm going for an eye checkup today to see if I'm eligible for a LASIK surgery or no. Do you think I will be eligible?
Are you wearing your glasses?
Yeah.
Then you will be.
This is what I look like with my glasses on. बहुत लोगों ने मुझे glasses में देखा भी नहीं होगा. But do you think I'll be eligible?
Of course, baby.
Yeah?
Of course.
Let's hope so. Go and at least consult for LASIK if I'm eligible or no, because that was also one of the biggest concerns. And like I said, few years back, some random doctor told me I cannot get my LASIK done because of the dry eyes ka problem. I asked a few friends, and I got this recommendation of Dr. Roth in camp, and I got Dr. Rupali Sardesai's number. And I took an appointment. I went, and I have to, like, you need to dedicate at least good 1 to 2 hours for that checkup, because they do a lot of tests. And the last test is like your retina checkup, where they dilate your pupils. You have to keep it on for half an hour, the drops, and that's when they check your retina and everything. So basically, this entire process took good 2 hours. And of course, you need someone to come with you because your pupils are dilated, so you cannot really see properly. And you have to be lens free like 24 hours before all these checkups. So I was like, you know what, I was very excited actually, and I was very prepared. And you guys know that I'm such a believer in manifestations and positive thinking. So I was already visualizing कि मेरा तो सब कुछ सही है. I am getting my LASIK done. I've gotten my LASIK done, and I can see everything properly. And that's how I roll in life. So I went. I prepared myself. I was very very excited. I was a little nervous as well, but वो अच्छा वाला nervousness वाला feeling. I reached. I did एक एक करके. I was so impressed with the entire procedure, the process of me doing my checkups, because that clinic was so professional, so seamless, so smooth, especially because you're going through something like this. You want to feel comfortable, and hospital environments kind of make me very anxious and nervous. But for a change, I felt so calm. There were so many people, like the staff working there, and dedicated staff members for each test, and everyone is like taking you, even if to go to the next machine there is a person, like, you know, escorting you to the machine, and everything was so seamless. Tuck 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 tuck, and I'm like, you know, going from one place to another. Someone is guiding me to the other room and they're making me wait. Everything was so seamless, and I was very impressed with the whole 2 hours that I spent. पहली बार ऐसा लगा कि I wasn't there for 2 hours because everything happened so fast. So the waiting game, though it's there, but it's accompanied with all those tests. So you don't really feel like you were there for 2 hours. There is a test that they do where they check your dry eyes ka problem. So they have these heavy technology machines, where that machine blows air into your eye, and it kind of detects whether you have dry eyes ka problem. And lastly, my retina checkup happened. My pupils were dilated. Like I said, I had to put some drops. It feels a little tingly for the first few seconds. It feels a little cold. You know, everything looks a little blur. And the doctor does the retina checkup. They do with a really harsh light on, and they ask you to look in certain directions. And just out of the blue, and he's like, you know what, everything is perfect. And I was so shocked, like, are you serious? I am eligible for a LASIK. I was so happy, like, I, of course I knew, but it just happened so instantly. He's like, yeah, you can now, you know, talk to the doctor, and, you know, you can get your appointment for LASIK. You're all good to go. And I was like, yeah, I'm so happy. I am finally getting my LASIK done. So everything went so seamless, everything went perfect. And like I said, after the retina checkup, my husband obviously accompanied me. So we went by cab. The sunlight was very harsh, so I had to wear like glasses. And my vision would be blurred for a few hours. And after a week, I got my LASIK appointment. Could not wear my lenses. Of course, it was 9th of June, I remember. We went for our checkup. I had to follow very basic rules. I was told that the whole process, you would be in the clinic for, like, say around 2 hours, but the procedure would take barely 10 minutes. There were some more tests that had to be done during before my LASIK started. I entered, and I had some couple of eyelash cleaning procedure. So although few more tests, some scans had to be done, and yeah, and I was good to go.
So it's the D day, cleaning हो चुकी है. कैसा लग रहा है सोने का?
जो ठंड लग रही है.
फट रही है तुम्हारी? फट रही है कि ठंड लग रही है? फटने की वजह से ठंड लग रही है. एसी भी नहीं है यहाँ तो. है सामने है सामने. सब अच्छे से हो जाएगा. We are going to be doing the final process after this. All the best.
Lot of anesthesia drops were going to be given to me. They gave me the hospital outfit, and of course I went, and it was freezing cold, plus the anxiety or nervousness, the good nervousness, not like whatever. But yeah, obviously, because you're entering like a operation theater, it's not like a surgery, but it kind of gives you the jitters, right? So I went inside. It was like blasting AC cold. Like, it was so freezing inside. Obviously, I could not record those things that time. It's not allowed. But there were so many machines like surrounded essay in this L-U shape, and in the middle is like the bed. So you lie down on that portion, and there are machines around you, and there are like some nurses, there are doctors. I had to lie down, they put this oximeter or whatever. That's when I was guided step by step. I just had to follow the instructions. I had to do nothing. They taped my eye. They were like these metal clamps, and they were like completely open because my eye has to be open at all times, and constantly there were anesthesia drops being given to me. And I know, obviously I'm awake, so it's like I know whatever's happening. I know there is something happening on my eye. I just don't feel any kind of pain or any sort of discomfort. So yeah, they taped the entire portion. Like this portion was completely taped, and only the eye is exposed. That's it, nothing else. Everything else, this is covered with like a patch, and the eye is open with the metal clamps. So when you're lying down on the bed, so the bed is like rotating from left and right. So you're in one place, the machines are doing everything. It's like a high tech machine, and it's apparently one of the best that they have. When you are rotating into the left procedure is basically the machine is taking your eye measurements and doing something in that. Okay, so don't ask me about the technicalities, but that is what that process is supposed to happen. And then the bed rotates to the right side, and that's where the LASIK happens. This is like for a minute or so, where there is some kind of a suction you feel on your eye. You are only seeing lights, you cannot see anything. And everything is like, this eye is covered, this eye can only see lights. There are some dotted ring lights, and suddenly something is happening, and then there is like constant drops are going on, because those anesthesia drops. And for a second it's like blackout, there's no vision. I got a little scared. I'm like, why can't I see anything? And in that process, when everything is all like pitch black, the bed rotates from left to right with that kind of a vision. So you kind of feel a little scared. I felt a little like claustrophobic, but it was just for barely 2-3 seconds. And they are like, okay, you know what, relax. uh, it's like sometimes that happens, it's very normal. And that's when the LASIK process started, which happened within less than a minute. You can smell like a little burning, जैसा एक smell आता है. You just have to follow the green light, और कुछ नहीं करना है आपको. आपको literally जहाँ पर आपको green light दिख रही है, डॉक्टर जो आपको बोल रहा है, आपको बस वहीं देखना है. And they are like saying, okay, good, you're looking in the right direction, everything happened. So that was it. And the same thing happened on the right eye. And I think under 10 minutes, like सब कुछ मिला के, like moving from left to right, the left eye process, right eye process, from lying down, waking up, everything took like literally less than 10 minutes. And I am like, they are like, you know what, you're done. And suddenly, of course, when you are away from all those lights and all, it's everything is blurry. There is a little heaviness at the eyes, because obviously something has happened in your eyes, plus all the drops. and and everyone started clapping for me. They were like, yay, you did a good job. I'm like, I didn't do anything, you guys did a good job, I should be clapping for you guys. So yeah, that was the whole procedure. And I am literally walking on my own. The nurse obviously came along, guided me till my floor, and I just had to like rest. They gave me some painkillers, I had to take some medicines, and absolutely no kind of restrictions. I had to carry my own chashma, like glasses, sunglasses, and because obviously the light would be very harsh. And she said by evening you will start slowly, your vision will get better. And I had to do like a follow up the next day, because they put like a protective lens above your eye. And I had to get it removed the next day. So you can't do it on your own, you have to go to the clinic and do it. And I am here now with a vision. And it's such a good feeling, because I don't have to sleep, go to bed thinking कि shit मैंने lenses नहीं निकाले. या फिर I have to take an afternoon nap. Oh my god, I need to remove my lenses. If I'm going out, I need to like wear my lenses. I have to be careful. My eye gets watery while wearing makeup, all of that. I was stress free from all these problems. I was so happy. And here I am. It's been almost more than a month, and everything is perfect. Everything is great. And that was the best decision I think I took. And thanks to my husband who pushed me so much. उसके उसके बिना तो मैं ऐसे सोच ही रही थी कि हाँ करेंगे करेंगे, बट वो फाइनली मैंने ये चीज़ वो स्टेप ले ली, एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट दिस हैपेंड. And yeah, and I just have to, I did not, I was not allowed to check my phone for like 24 hours, no TV for like 2 days, no driving for 8 days, no swimming for 6 to 8 weeks, and basic restrictions, nothing. I had to continue with certain drops and some medications for like first 5 days, and that's about it. And after that, everything is back to normal. I have my vision in place. I can see my phone, I can drive, I can watch TV, I can read Durga, which is, and I can swim also now. It's been like over 6 weeks. So, yeah, I mean, I'm very happy with this decision, and everything was great. The costings, now again, it depends on what you are getting done, because there are different types of LASIKs, I think. And this costed me around 1,30,000, and excluding the checkups that are done for checking your eligibility, that costed me around 5,000. And yeah, so if you are prepared to invest in this, and really get your eyesight back, I think it's worth it, because you are chashma free for like the longest time. So yeah, this was my LASIK journey, and I hope I could answer everything, or I could tell you and be as detailed and real from my experience. So if you have any kind of questions apart from whatever I've shared, I'm happy to share it, and you can drop in your comments below, and I will answer them. Or you can just reach out to me on my Instagram or wherever. See you. Thank you. Riri.